Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinkin. In today's video, I'm going to talk about that is now the hope back for October because Bitcoin started the week quite nicely, and why. So let's talk about that. Then we have Donald Trump's crypto projects token will come out tomorrow on the 15th of October. Also, we have Ripple Labs CEO founder donates $1 million US in XRP to pro Kamala Harris PAC, which is interesting thing when it comes to crypto, Kamala, and all these kind of things. And then let's look at the term search for Bitcoin on Google because it is on 1 year low. However, Memecoins, so talk about that as well. And also altcoin selling pressure looms as $500 million in token unlocks scheduled for this week. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel and you won't miss a single thing. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. Right, when we're looking at the prices, we can see that Bitcoin is actually up 3.2%. Actually, is it more? Keep changing. Right, yeah. So 4.3, that's what I remembered. 65,265 US dollar. Ethereum almost 5% up. 2,574 US dollar. When we're looking at the top gainers in the last 24 hours, we can see that MOG is up 18%, ENA 17%, WorldCoin 16%. Losers, among the losers at the top is a Popcat with 5%, Tron with 1%, and yeah, that's it pretty much. So, well, when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, look at this candle. We have reached this, resistance level in the moment, which is around 65,000, couple of hundred here. And well, the question is this now another fake out when Bitcoin tries to break this level, stay above it and break this green line, which is, definitely a green trend line, which is now here going down for a while. We have actually formed here a lower high, then here after this high we had here another higher high, we have here another higher low, and now here's the question: do we break above, do we stay above, and are we making here another higher high, which would be very important to continue this trend. But hopes for October is a little bit back, so let's talk about that. Well, when we looking at now the news, when this article came out, Bitcoin was just above 64,000, but as I showed you now, we are above 65,000 at the moment. And partly we had this positive news both from China and the US. Also in China, we had the Chinese stock gain after Beijing lays out fiscal plans. The government plans to increase spending to boost the world's second largest economy. The finance minister said on Saturday that it planned to recapitalize local governments and state banks and buy unsold property as part of the stimulus plans, but it held back from the providing details figures. So, well, how exactly it's held back so far, but this is the way they're aiming for, and we do know that it is definitely bullish altogether for the market. And well, yeah, we had some liquidations, also recently in the last 12 hours, more than $100 million worth of token were liquidated. Obviously, the short ones, because now prices started to go up. And actually hopes for October is back because, yeah, we see Bitcoin, actually I can measure it, but actually it doesn't matter really in short term because, the price is changing. But okay, here the monthly, right? And whoops, no. Let's continue with this one here. So right now we're more than 3% up in October, which brings October to the green zone. And how it will end, we're going to see it. But after this, down part, what we have witnessed here last week, we now see hopes coming back. So this is definitely a positive thing. Yeah. Well, now we're waiting. And what I'm watching here definitely is that do we, break this line? Are we close above, just like here, above 65,000? But do we continue? This what's happened here. It was totally healthy. This is what you're looking for. You don't want, do a big breakout to the upside, because it's never healthy. This would be great, but now for to play out, we should really continue and go higher and higher here. But yeah, as I explained before, this is like a healthy trend reversal, what we witnessing here right now. Okay, now let's move on to the next topic. The next topic is all about Donald Trump's new project's token. The pre-sale going to start tomorrow. And please don't get me wrong here. I'm not shitting this project. I'm not talking about the token. I don't know how well it's going to perform. I would like just to point out that we have a president candidate. Now it's the 14th of October. The election is on the 5th of November. And, well, the chances are actually quite good that he could be the next president. And Donald Trump already has NFT collection. Now he has a crypto project, and which is decentralized finance project, World Liberty Financial, and the public sale starts tomorrow on the 15th of October to everyone who qualifies through the whitelist. So yeah, it shows clearly that he's for crypto and at least acts in the way that he's for crypto. Even in his speeches or whatever he does with these projects and NFT collections. So obviously, if he could be the president, and there's a question mark, of course, because these are promises, but how he holds his promises, that will be also very, very important. But so far, put it this way, so far, it's definitely positive for crypto. So we're going to see how that works out. But another interesting thing, even that Kamala Harris is not that big fan of crypto and the Biden administration, they got a huge donation from Ripple Labs co-founder. So you would think that, the crypto guys supporting like Donald Trump, and then you can see here that Ripple Labs co-founder donates $1 million in XRP to pro-Kamala Harris PAC. So yeah, Ripple Labs co-founder, donates, blah, blah, blah. Okay, crypto to Democrat-aligned political action community in support of U.S. Democratic presidential nominee Kamala Harris. And well, donated in XRP. This is the amount of XRP. I'm not going to read it out. It's 1.7 million, kind of. And it happened on the 14th of August, according to the FEC fillings released this week. So it turned out they donating to Kamala Harris. Well, it's just in a way interesting that, but we do know that the XRP guys are towards the banking industry. So yeah, in that case, it makes sense. But there are crypto people who are supporting Kamala, not just Donald Trump. This is the whole thing what I wanted to point out. Right, okay, let's look at the Bitcoin search volume, which dropped a yearly low, but Memecoins started to go up. So, well, in Google, for the search term Bitcoin, actually, the numbers are dropping, and we have seen it right now on a 1-year low during the last week. Out of the scale of 100, it is as 33. On the other hand, we have the search volume for Memecoins, and it is 77 out of 100. And so it clearly shows that one, it's going up. However, hasn't reached the 100, which was reached back in October last year. But maybe it's coming up because we could see Memecoins performing pretty well during the weekend. Right, okay, and the final topic I would like to talk about is all about altcoin selling pressure looms as 500 million in token unlocks scheduled for this week. Always when there is a sell pressure, you know, new tokens getting into the circulation. It can put a pressure on altcoins, and this is what's happening right now. You know, we're talking about, roughly speaking, 500 million US dollar. And you know, historically, data suggests that significant price changes might occur on the average 2 weeks after the unlock. Okay, so now unlocks are coming, and here you can see the projects. I'm not going to read it out. You can see it here for yourself. So if you hold any of these, just be aware of this. Right, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.